And my advice to those people who are looking for a wife or looking for a spouse online, try to meet as soon as possible. Because you cannot have relationships online. Online and internet interaction is good for making a connection. But you have to meet as soon as possible. And before you meet, I would recommend seeing a photo of the person. Because when you hear their voice or you read their words on the screen, you have certain images in your mind of how they should look. Or even they send you an image, they send you a photo, and you say, wow, this looks pretty nice. But a lot of times, and this has happened to me, it's a glamour shot. Or it's a picture from 10 years ago, and she never told you or he never told you. Or maybe you see a picture that you don't like. But then you have to remember that some people are not photogenic. So it goes both ways. And so you have to meet as soon as you possibly can. Because again, marriages are not through phone, are not through internet, are not through email or text. It's in person. You're going to live with that person for the rest of your life, hopefully, inshallah. So meet with them as soon as you can. And because of that, I would recommend not corresponding with somebody who is in a different location than you. Meaning, a far enough distance where you'd have to take an airplane to get there. Because it's just not practical. It doesn't make sense. It should be within driving distance. Be practical when you're getting to know somebody.